my friends, I hope you are all enjoying your long weekend, or at least surviving your long weekend, you know, that's good enough too. I am here again with you today for a tutorial of Woke Up from the new Adventure Time episode, which, oh my god, my heart, it was so good. It was so good. So this song is a tad bit more complicated, but the good news is that there's only two parts. So the two parts just kind of rotate, repeating back and forth over and over, which ends up making it look like you're doing a lot more work than you actually are. So we're going to be starting with the intro, which is also the same thing as the chorus. The chords that you're going to need are F, E flat, G sharp major 7, and B flat. For this intro / chorus section, the strumming is going to be down, up, 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 and then it repeats. So it's kind of a big chunk, so let's go over that. So the first 3 bars are just F and E flat. So down, up, F, E flat, F, E flat, F, E flat, and then this last part is F, E flat, G sharp, E flat, F. If that strumming pattern is a little bit too difficult for you, you can also, here's an alternate, you can also just play it as down strums. So it'd be and then as you're going, if you want to, you can start adding in those syncopated rhythms. The second section that we have is our verse. The chords that you're going to need are F, E flat, D minor, C sharp, and C. Your strumming pattern is going to be down, up, 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 and it repeats from there. For the last line of every verse, for dramatic effect, it's going to be down, up, 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 down, down. Once again, your alternative strumming pattern for this part is just going to be down strum. So at the end of the second verse, there is a little section that is added on just to the end. It goes, "'Cause you left me drowning." And the chords for that are F, E flat, and D minor, and then back to F. So for that it goes, "'Cause you left me drowning," F, and then it goes into the next chorus. Okay, I think we're about ready to do our play along, so let's do it. Let's go. Off we go.
Can't believe that I
well, thank you guys so much for watching. I wanted to leave this for the end, but I just wanted to say that I'm honestly like so shocked about all the success that my last couple videos got, and I feel really grateful for all of you here that have found my channel. It just makes me really happy. I don't know. I just wanted to say something about that. Thanks for coming. I really appreciate you. Check out my other videos. Check out my cover of Woke Up. Might help you with learning it if you are interested. If you like this video, make sure that you like it, subscribe to see more, and leave a comment. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll get to them. Thank you so much.